How important is ERP maintenance and support? Today's ERP customers understand the solution life cycle and look at both solutions fit as well as long-term support from their vendors. Product support. Lighthouse supports all components of the ERP system to deliver sustained operations and mitigate risks. People and skills. Lighthouse and its growing team of 200 consultants work continuously to support and upgrade product offerings. Regulatory support. Lighthouse Solutions support all regulatory changes to ensure timely compliance with governing policies. Upgrades and future roadmap. Lighthouse is positioned to support not just existing but even future needs of the organization as they go along their digital journey. Compatibility with technical platform. Lighthouse ensures solution compatibility underlying software and hardware to give the best performance and user experience. Stable and financially independent ERP vendor. Lighthouse Info provide a mature and time-tested solution, which is working well in hundreds of organizations, ever evolving to match growing needs. So, you don't have to pay more than what was agreed or risk losing the complete investment due to poor support. Thanks for watching. Contact us for any queries.